All right, number 13. Garden Club at Heritage High wants to build a flower garden near the outdoor seating at the back of the school. The design is a square with diagonal walkways. So they got some walkways that are diagonal, like this. The length of each side of the garden is 50 feet. How long is each walkway? Well, if it's a square and we use diagonals, then that means these become 45-degree angles, right? All the way around. So if I just took 1/2 of that garden, and this is 50 and this is 50, and these are 45-degree angles, well, now I just need to know my 45, 45, 90 rule and just say, oh, this hypotenuse is 50 times the square root of 2. And there's my answer, 50 times the square root of 2 feet. Okay. Number 14, if f of x equals x squared minus 2x minus 8, and g of x equals 1/4 x minus 1, for which values of x is f of x equal to g of x? Okay, algebraically, I can make an equation where the first one equals the second one, turn it into a quadratic that's in standard form by getting everything on one side, making the other side 0, and then solving algebraically, or use Desmos. And that is definitely where I want to go with this one because there's fractions involved. I don't want to start going through all that. So let's go to Desmos. Let's graph this. X squared minus 2x minus 8. And then the other equation is 1/4 x minus 1. And let me do this with better practice. Let me put y equals at the front of both of these. Okay. Y equals 1/4, move to the side of that fraction, then put my x, 1/4 x minus 1. And then I go look for the places where they intersect. So negative 1.75 and 4 are my two solutions. 1.75, x equals 4. Again, we're just focused on the x values when we're just solving for which values of x is f of x equal to g of x. Those are going to be the two x coordinates where the graphs of these two functions are equal. Okay, so very straightforward there. Just a quick reminder of how easy it is to solve some of these equations using Desmos. So that's number 13 and number 14.